Hello and welcome. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you two ways to print shipping labels. I'm going to show you the difference between printing these labels with an inkjet printer and a thermal printer. Also, I'm going to show you how to create shipping labels from an online platform. I will be using a VEVOR thermal label printer. This printer is compact, easy to use, and super fast. I'll show you in a little bit. And a Canon inkjet printer. I will link them in the video description down below. The shipping labels can be created straight from the shipping companies like FedEx, UPS, DHL, or USPS. Also from the selling platforms like Etsy, eBay, Facebook, etc. I create my labels from the site where the sale is created, but I also like to create and print my labels from pirateship.com. I think this platform is easy to use, affordable, and I can track all my shipments in one place. I will show you how to create shipping labels using this platform. Go to pirateship.com. To start creating your own shipping labels, first you will need to create an account and add a payment method. Once you finish creating your account, you will be able to see this page. Below is the list of all of my shipments. There you will be able to track and view the details of all of your shipments. Up here gives you the option to create a single label, upload spreadsheet, import from integrations like Etsy, eBay, or others. Now I'm going to show you how to create a single label. Click on single label, type the shipping information, select the type of packaging, type the package dimensions, length, width, height, then type the weight. Now click on Get Rates. And here are the rates. Click on Cheapest to see the cheapest rate. For example, if I click UPS, and apparently it is more expensive. Pick the one that best suits your needs. I'm going to select the cheapest one and I'm going to click on Buy Label. Here it will give you the printing options. For example, if you are using a thermal label printer, you will select 4 by 6 inches shipping label. And this is how it's going to look. So it's going to print individually. But if you don't have a thermal printer and you wish to print on an inkjet printer, you may either select 8.5 by 11, 1 label per page, or 2 labels per page. I'm going to select 2 labels per page, and this is how it's going to print. When ready, click on Download Label. Open it. First, I will show you how to print them with an inkjet printer. Click on the printer, select your printer, click on More Settings, Print using System Dialog, More Settings. Here you're going to select Photo Printing. On Media Type, you're going to select Glossy Photo Paper if you are using glossy sticker paper, or Matte Photo Paper if you are using matte sticker paper. My sticker paper is glossy, so I'm going to select Glossy Photo Paper. On Quality, select High. And here I'm going to select letter size. Click OK, then print. To print your shipping labels using a regular printer, you're going to need sticker paper. I use these two types of sticker paper. The first one is the Milcost. It's affordable and comes with 100 pages. The only thing with this brand is that the impressions come out a little pale. This other one is from the Koala brand. It comes with only 20 pages, but it prints with high quality and sharpness. You may pick the one that best suits your needs. I will link them in the video description down below. To print these shipping labels, I am using my Canon Pixma Megatank Inkjet printer. It takes 1 minute and 30 seconds to print this page. It takes more time compared to the thermal printer. Besides, we need to cut them with scissors or guillotine. Now I'm going to show you how to print them using the thermal printer, so you see the difference. To print the shipping labels using the thermal printer, you will need 4x6 sticker paper. These ones came with the machine, but you can also order them online. I will link the printer and the paper in the description below. Now to print the shipping labels using the thermal printer, click on the printer, select the thermal printer, and click on print. And that fast already printed the shipping label. It only took 5 seconds. And this is printed from a computer. But you may also use your phone to print your shipping labels. Download your label and download the app using the QR code on the user guide. Press on Open PDF to upload your label. Click on Print and you will have your printed label in less than 5 minutes. You will save time and money using this little printer. In fact, both options are great. Just pick the one that best suits your needs. I will link all the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.